Growing up, talking to ladies used to be a really, really big problem for me. I actually had to rehearse at a point. Pick up a pen, write out some pickup lines, stand in front of your mirrors, try to rehearse, and imagine that you're actually talking to a lady. Finally, I find my cojones. But then, when we're talking about asking out a lady, is every guy genetically equipped to be able to ask a lady out? That's what we're talking about today because that's what the viewers want us to talk about. So, main cave today, I have Emmanuel, I have Ifeanyi, and I have Saint Envy, who already has a smile on his face. I'm sure he's already thinking of pickup lines to dump on us today. So let's start with the coolest person. Like, he looks really cool. Like, I did think I didn't tell Wala today to go happen. So Emmanuel, what's your personal opinion? Do you think every guy is genetically equipped to ask a lady out?
Not really. Genetically, not really.
Okay.
We know some guys are not that outspoken. Some like to, like you say, rehearse their lines. Some would rather survey the environment first. I'm not saying the person they're going to talk to, the environment first. See if I don't have eyes prying on me. Can I do this thing in a very quiet place? I don't have my friends come and tease me. And some would rather just be bold and just do it if I get a no answer. So genetically, no. Some people are just naturally just like when you talk about people who are orators. Some can speak. Public speaking is not a problem for them. They can come out and say anything. You have some of them as presidents. Obama was someone like that. And then you compare that to Donald Trump, always outspoken, but he does more tweeting. And then you now compare that to Buhari, our own president in Nigeria, who doesn't even talk at all. So genetically, everybody has different, engineering when it comes to that one. So guys, when it comes to toasting a woman, as you put it, that's wooing a woman. And no, it's not genetics.
Okay, but then you did say some people are outspoken. So are you intending to say that the outspoken ones find it easier to talk to a lady?
Yes. It comes with territory. It comes with experience. Those who are outspoken, it's something they naturally do. So they will take talking to a woman as another speaking out. It's like having a conversation to some of them.
I don't agree with that one.
It's like to some of them, like having a conversation.
I feel like it's a different ball game entirely to stand in a room full of a crowd and then talk to them. It's different from
for someone
who's very good-looking lady. Yeah, for someone who's outspoken. It has nothing to do with outspokenness, in my opinion.
I think when somebody who's outspoken, when it comes to crowd, you're presenting what you've actually practiced.
Yes.
But when it comes to talking to a woman,
it's a whole new chemistry. Sometimes it depends on who the lady is or what she looks like.
Now, I'm saying,
and your food destiny is in your belly.
I've had different adults share their experience with me. The outspoken ones, when you're talking about, when it comes to this game of win a lady, they get to become water. You understand what I mean? They're chicken out, kind of. You understand what I mean? So it's not about being outspoken or being a public speaker.
And maybe it's because
and that's
no. But he hasn't said he.
I'm not saying it's very bad. The question was, outspoken people, can they do that? Right? And by own definition, I feel it shouldn't be a problem. I said yes. It shouldn't be a problem because you don't really, when people speak public speaking, sometimes they don't care who's in the room. I'm not saying some. Okay. Some don't care in the room. I had to overcome that fear when I started speaking in public. What I used to do was I just pretend like every other person is sleeping. If I have to talk to a crowd, I just pretend they're all sleeping. Even though they're staring at me, there are people who sleep with their eyes open. So I just pretend they're all sleeping. So when I'm speaking, I just look over their head. I look over their head.
Okay.
What do we call it? I don't want to use the word inferiority complex.
Okay, no.
That's not.
Please
trying. If you're a public speaker and you get to look over the people's head just to talk to them,
it means you still don't have that.
Yeah, exactly. So it was a way to conquer the initial fear of not even coming out at all.
Yeah, but see it this way. Now, if you're talking to a crowd,
now doing that to a lady who's staring at you, though.
Not be bothered about who's staring at you.
Yeah.
So you're probably looking over the head or even have your head down, but you're still flowing. Now it's different. if you're talking to a lady that you intend
Who
to
is literally staring at you
She's
in your
staring at
eyes,
you.
though?
You're
I know
staring
it's
at
a different
her.
concept.
It's a different ballgame.
I agree. When it comes down, I totally agree because one, I hate making eye contact
with a lady or with
anybody. So when you're looking at me though, and she's literally looking at your eyes, they'll tell you sometimes, I want to read you that you're lying at me. So they're looking at your eyes, and I'm like, and I'm doing this naturally. I don't want to stare at you. You think I'm lying?
And you're like,
because I'm trying to avoid eye contact.
And you're close to the lady, and sometimes it's someone you haven't even met before. You're just meeting her for the first time, and you're like, okay, I like this babe. And you might not meet her again. Maybe you're at a transit or something, maybe like a bus stop. So you have to talk to her. It becomes a problem. How many seconds do you have to actually think of what you want to say to her?
You know, some people, it takes a whole lot of processes. You understand what I mean? So they will have to like do a whole lot of rehearsals in a quiet place. You understand? But some people, they don't think it too much.
What if you're at the bus station?
Bus station. Like for me personally, I won't just walk up to a random lady on the road and start toasting the lady or something. I don't do that. You know what I mean? So
we don't hear
that kind of person.
No.
Oh, what do you mean no same person does that?
Exactly.
There's some ladies you see that are so beautiful. For those of us that are attracted by, the physical appearance, you wouldn't want that person to walk out of your sight because you're like, I feel no see him again. And that's a really important factor.
Can I have your number?
Can I have your number?
Well, it depends on your occasion.
Can I have your number and a normal thing? You understand? You just want to have a number so that you can call her later and tell her your mind, isn't it? But if I not be waiting on the spot, like I see you like this.
But all the same.
I want to say, hello babe, what's up? How you doing? You're looking so pretty. I like it to be my babe. And she's like, are you for real?
But I've actually met someone who just walked up to a girl like, I love you, Tokyo.
Yeah,
it used to be a thing we hear when we were in secondary school. Yeah. But the truth of the matter, if we're going to from personal experiences.
Well, you've had so many experiences.
I guess.
Yeah, how about that?
I don't understand where that's going from, but
plays a major role in experience.
But I'm saying,
doing that for the very
speaking
first
of
time.
personal experience, I was going to say my story. I'm not saying stories I've heard people tell me from personal experiences.
That's not
personal from people. So anyway, but I've got my own personal stories to tell when it comes to that one. But personal experiences, though, I've got friends who will tell you, because the kind of person I am, I have more female friends than male friends. It's easier for me to toast a girl. I'm not talking about me now. I'm just saying I've heard friends who tell me that. Since I have more. Really though?
I don't get that kind of mind.
Yeah.
For me, we got to be friends.
Okay.
Like,
that's my way.
From friends, we become friends. I cannot even tell you I love you. Now we, two of us, we go enter the relationship.
Okay, no, that's not me.
Already, you are agreeing with him.
I agree on that aspect.
Are we not? Yeah. Are we dating? Yeah.
Okay, what do you call that?
I understand that one exactly.
Does it literally sound like someone who has the guts to approach a lady?
Okay, you know what? Let me just do what you're unintentionally telling me to do, which is you've not answered the question. Do you feel like every guy is genetically wired to toast a lady? Before I ask you if you can.
The word is genetically. Nobody's wired genetically to toast a lady.
Okay.
Nobody on earth. This is what they say they inside blood, not in the inside blood. Nah, red blood says the inside blood. You understand?
Okay.
Using the word genetically, no.
Okay.
We practice. We grow into it. Do you understand? We know so many. It takes the whole lot, like you said while you were opening the show. About you, write them down. Don't write to how many people like.
That was
Yeah, I don't know this there.
Bro, that's planning. That's planning.
You got
Okay, this level.
Instead of writing, you start singing song or poem.
Okay, so basically, no one just naturally is able to talk to a lady. Everyone gets to practice or rehearse.
Everyone.
Over time.
We have exemptions. We have exemptions anyway.
What do you say?
We have exemptions. We have some other cases that are not just. We have like 1%, like 2% of people can do that, or probably out of all the men. No, I might not be one of them, but I have experience. I've seen one for myself. I have seen one for myself during those days in secondary school. You understand what I mean? So the guy just like he likes something, he goes for it. He doesn't think
no,
twice.
No, chill. The
That's what
problem
I
now
mean.
is you've not known him all his life.
Yeah.
It is possible while he was in primary school,
Yeah.
He was been practicing.
He has them prepared before he got
Are
to
you
that
kidding me?
stage.
I was
We started out from a
leverage.
junior secondary school.
Do you know him?
So I okay, well,
Do you
okay,
know
fine.
he
I don't
did
know
in
him
primary
all.
school?
Okay, I don't know.
I was going to leverage on the question he asked him about when you meet somebody in a public place and you don't want to lose the person. How do you get her attention? You could start a conversation. Say, for instance, I tried this before. It was in public, but not at the bus station. I tried this before, not because I wanted to date her, but I just wanted to have a conversation. Because me, I'm always about the conversation. Because even if I start to date you, we need to be able to go converse on several topics. So what did I do? I noticed her buttons were wrongly done. But there are some things you can't tell a lady directly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's gonna sound so awkward. So I started with, your hair look nice today.
Okay.
You know something? And she goes, there's some people who just have this snarky look. And she goes like, I don't know who this person is, but I'm sorry, I don't want to make you uncomfortable. So when I said, I don't want to make you uncomfortable, I just noticed it and I felt I could tell you. So she eased up a bit.
Okay.
So I led the conversation from something easy. Fine, I got to the point like, oh man, it was nice having the father, but your buttons have been wrongly done. So she laughed about it, like, oh, are you serious? So she felt comfortable doing that because I eased into the conversation.
Wow.
And then it was
And you've helped someone who does not know how to talk to a lady
People
because
like-
that's just a tip.
People like
really though. Now you're making me look like I'm a professional. No,
No.
no.
That was very nice too. You finally have some.
That was
In my side.
No.
Did I call that slimy?
No.
Everything is tactical.
No.
Because everyone is there to dance, have fun
Yeah.
with their friends.
But he just said he doesn't want a distraction. In the club.
You don't get what I mean. You don't get what I mean.
Just tell her,
Sort of like,
"Hey, come."
Let's go.
oh no. That is not the scenario here. That's not the scenario here. So okay, fine. Even if it has to be where 1 or 2 or 3 people or more people are. You know what I mean? So I can just walk up to her. It's like I said earlier, make it friendly. Friendly tone. Give it a friendly touch. For the first time, of course, we just walk up to a lady and say, I want to be my girlfriend. No. Introduce yourself, tell her,
Like
make
you're
her
coming
feel
to
free.
apply for
You
a
understand?
job,
Something
right?
like that. You know? I don't.
There you go with that there.
Then after that, okay, fine. Can I have your contact? You understand? You
Let's
don't
not
just
dwell
do
on
the
this.
whole thing there.
Okay, let's not dwell on this.
No.
Let's bring another one now.
It's a step-by-step
Just
process.
quick one, if fine. Quick one. The question is for you now.
Why me?
Because they've given that. I just want you to give yours. Now the question is for you.
Yeah.
The question is, why do men who cannot talk to women or woo women find it difficult coming out in the open to say to their other friends or even anyone else that I'm unable to talk to a woman, so help me out?
Really
Why is it so difficult?
Yeah, because there's this perception everyone has about being a man. Being a man means you take responsibility for everything. You understand? So, for example, I have friends who can talk to who have been actually saying, oh, mom, see that babe, I just go meet her and talk. And me, I know, say, I can't. Like,
So
I don't
you
know
would
how-
feel ashamed.
Yeah, you feel
Of
you
coming
feel
out
you're
to
not,
seek help.
You're not man enough. You're not like them. You understand? So coming out, I've seen guys that will come and say, that girl, forget that. But the truth is, they are men of God. You understand? So it's natural. We have introverts, we have extroverts. You understand? Most introverts want to have more of extrovert as friends. So their influence makes them look like Baba.
It would
step up my game?
surprise you that
So-
most introverts can actually speak better with ladies than extroverts. But talking about speaking better with ladies, I do have to go on this necessary break. When we come back, we will find out if this young man here can actually talk to a lady or not, because I will be bringing a very, very beautiful lady on the show for each one of them to shoot their shot. Don't go nowhere.
Shoot.
I know you didn't.
Hello, babe. I'm Emmanuel. Hope you don't mind. What's your name? Sorry? Oh, just feel relaxed. I don't mean no harm. I'm just a cool guy. I just want to get to know you more. Hello. So, I was just watching you back there, and I feel like I should just get to know you, and maybe we can get to talk some other time.
know-
Can I have your contact? Sort of. Or maybe, can I just buy you something someday?
Why is this taking forever?
You get what I'm saying?
Seriously, this is how you do it.
Stop it.
Sit down, please.
Shit.
Just take your seat. Just please don't toast again with this partner. Sit down. Oh God. Yeah, give me that song. Give me that song. Give me
I have tried it out and it worked. So who?
Sit down.
Please who?
How?
Sit down, please. There's so much.
I don't have.
If
I don't
I
have.
manage,
I don't
cover
have.
your face with one hand.
Ah.
I don't have.
Are you kidding me?
Come on like that. Cover like this.
I thought he was rapping.
I didn't even know. I thought it was like a church sermon or something. Seriously, I fell asleep. You didn't see that.
Literally.
You want to bring me up on the spot again? I gotta take my time now.
Just
So, oh, no.
What you would do.
Bring him up because he's trying to learn from my mistake.
Exactly.
Take it.
I ain't learning from your mistake.
Bring
bro.
him up.
Okay, hang on. No, I know.
For me,
Certainly not.
For me, probably, I could do that better.
Okay, you know what? He actually did good.
Okay, okay.
In with his own kind of method, he did good enough to him. But
Everybody got their own methodology
to every
now.
other guy who might think, nah, that
To a
was
pro
whack.
like you, to a pro like you.
I've never said I'm a pro on this show, but then let's
Okay,
focus
fine.
on.
Don't worry.
No, you're wasting
Why
time.
me
Come
though?
on here.
Why me
It's your
though?
turn.
Why? I don't even have to
Okay,
stand
do it
up.
from there. Do it from there.
Go ahead, bro. Shoot your shot.
Oh.
Nobody
You
laughing.
know, it's funny. That's the thing.
Exactly,
You see,
so you
that's
have
the kind of
to
vibe I got. Don't do something. Yeah, it does something stupid,
No.
and then she starts to smile. And we go like,
Do this to
hey,
me.
yo, I did
In
it.
summary, hello, Emmanuel. You're taking too much time on this thing.
Then move on to someone else. Perhaps
Are you
how do
kidding
we
me?
celebrate this time around?
Just do it.
Talk to a lady. Forget
Yeah.
about it. We just ignore you.
No, but no, listen, it's not about you getting to with the lady, but having the courage.
Okay, hang on.
Do it.
Okay,
I
hang
have
on.
the courage. I walked up to
No,
her. So,
hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang
That's the
on.
point here.
Hang on.
You
No,
have the courage
hang
to walk up
on.
to try.
Yeah.
Hang on.
I give it a try.
Are you willing to move from your chair?
You want to sit here?
Yeah.
You want to sit here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do that for you. I do that. I just stand.
Because I don't necessarily have to stand. I don't necessarily have to stand.
Stand.
It's like you're loading yourself over her. So here's my
kidding me?
scenario. Yeah,
All right.
we're seated.
Do it,
We're
man.
seated
Okay.
together, and I'm just pretending
Talk
like,
to her.
hang on.
Talk to
now.
her, you're not lecturing.
Here's the
him.
ambience. We're watching a movie together, and I go, "Hi, what do you think about the movie?"
Hey, you're obstructing me. I want to see this guy. Please.
That's a conversation
Sorry,
starter.
but just keep your.
What do you think about the movie? By the way, I like your dress. But the movie though.
Cool.
What do you think about it? I mean, the main character, that's John. And I understand he has this thing about being a gentleman in a situation where women get to dump him. But do you think that's how life is in general?
I think that was actually good enough.
I mean, it's a conversation starter.
Yeah.
Unless she wants to be,
He has
unless she wants to, unless she wants to be, try to be a tough.
Yeah, lady.
We're watching a
No,
movie
no,
together.
no,
She
yeah.
definitely has to have an answer. It's simple.
Okay, you don't got game though, so.
Yeah. I mean, it's her done now, so I actually expect. I didn't expect Ada to just dive into it. It's a script thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Like I said, conversation
I
started.
noticed Emmanuel is feeling bad.
That I didn't get
No,
Ada's
it's not
attention though.
Which
You
man?
know why I
Really?
didn't feel bad?
If I
No,
rather.
if I
No, you weren't referring to me, were you?
No, because
Actually looking.
no, yeah.
No.
I felt.
You don't judge my reaction.
No.
He's trying to judge my reaction.
No. Okay, here's the thing. Yeah. Here's the thing. Yeah. Why I would expect you all to perhaps give your own verdict on what I did. I felt approaching a woman who is sitting and you're standing. Number one, in the situation we're in, is a no.
You see?
You're first over her. She's not going to be looking up at you. Two, you just start with, hey, babe. That's so old school.
So that's like 94.
That's like so, thank you, bro.
Oh.
94 is even like,
That's
like,
Oh, yeah.
hey, babe,
I thought
no.
it was a dinosaur.
Really?
That's a nice one. That's a nice
Don't do,
Like-
like, they're like,
Hey, babe,
excuse me, though. Like,
Is this a WhatsApp message? Why you
it's like,
baby
no, it's
girl?
like those days of to go. Those like those days of to go.
To go.
When you're to go and then what's the other one? When was weird word I used to freak me out?
Eskimi or something.
No,
I think it was Eskimo.
Eskimo, yeah.
Hold it. You guys just hold it there. Now, you guys are deviating. You just hold on.
Badu,
hold on.
bruh.
I
Don't
think you
you
guys
got
just-
it,
Hold on. Now, just let's get this straight.
Okay.
It was all about having the courage to walk up to a lady.
No, it was
But now
actually
he's not
about-
just having the courage, but he got
Do you know you
to
both
penetrate.
Do you know you both failed?
No, for me, he tried. He did
the
better.
task was woo the lady.
Yeah.
But like I said, I started
He did
the
better. No,
conversation.
to be sincere, he
I
did
always
better.
start the conversation. You have to lead into
But-
something.
But you know what?
I can't just come in and then start it.
But you know what? He first of all created a scenario. You understand what I mean? He painted the picture.
And you didn't have
And
that
how did you
opportunity.
No,
he had to get
It's his way.
Okay, it's
from
not
that
his
way.
way.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? No. For me, you imposed that on me. You got me to stand right there. And
I didn't-
was not
No, he just said, do your.
I want
No, okay, hang on.
Okay, you would have allowed me to get my own set.
Do you want
to allow me to get my own set?
Once we do
Are you
it.
kidding
So
me?
you're just assuming I
Fine.
started it, right?
Yeah,
Right.
let's just
Okay.
assume he started it. Now
Alright.
you do yours.
All right.
Finish it.
No, sir, life no balance.
No, finish what? No, finish what? NBA done this. Was that the
Don't
season?
forget him.
He said finish it,
We do
right?
yours. We do yours.
Don't worry. I don't like. No worry. You go ahead.
You don't like
Envy.
You don't like hey, why down?
Show them how it's done.
Yeah.
Show them how it's
Are you kidding me? All right.
You know,
I ain't watching.
what did you say I should do?
Who
done.
her?
Wow.
He's done. He's filled.
But no. Hang on. He says he has to be friends with her.
Yeah.
You have to pardon him.
But you know,
Okay.
But how do you make friends though?
No, let him just show us. I think he was about to show us something. Yeah.
you see, the most important thing is courage
Mm.
and style
Then action.
and action, bro.
So how do you make friends, bro? Since you have to be friends.
He's about to show you. Let him
bro.
get
Alright,
through.
bro.
So both of you have done the wooing for me. All I just have to do is come on.
Oh, you don't mean it. Oh my man.
I said, hang on. The next person that you do that to. No, let's all pretend like this is real. And I go to a girl, and then I see a girl, and the person I go like, she gives me a hand.
Okay.
No, either that is scripted.
Okay.
That
I
is
had
scripted.
fun. I don't
No,
know.
no way.
But if you
No.
don't want to have
No.
go for our man cave, please join us next episode
Not
of
on
Man
her.
Cave. We'll be having some much more discussion on guys as it has to do with women. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Really?